name is Adyan. Today I am going to teach you how to make a paper parrot. For that you need a square paper. So I have already made this square paper. So first take this part till here. Line should come from here. And then this part till here. This from here also line should come. Okay, now open it and then open it. See again I'll show you. First we did like this and then we did like this. And then we took this part and then we opened it, opened on this side and then done. Square paper. Now take this part till here. Yes, like this. Like this. We did it. Now take this part till here. Now we did it. Now open this. Open this. So now this plus became and this cross became and plus also. Now hold it like a rhombus shape and then turn it and then take. Oh, I'll tell you the easy part only. Then again do like this and then what is this happening like this? Oh, line is already there. So this and put your hand here and then with your one finger do like this. Okay, and then one. Okay, then do the same with this also. Put your finger and then this like this. Done. A very good rhombus shape has came. Now take one part and do like this. And then take this part and you are seeing a line, put this part till this line. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's correct. Now you are be thinking what I was doing. I was holding at the right side. No, I was confused little bit, but you would not be confused. Now, see. Nothing. I didn't do anything. See, I did like this. Now, do it like this and then do it like this. And then do the same thing how you did in that side. Okay, done. Both the sides done. Now open it and then you can see one gap like this. How in my first video, when I was new in this YouTube channel, I was teaching you how to make a bird. Same to same like that, this parrot is also. First take this. First have to take this and then put it up, put it up and then fold this corner part till here. And then put it up. I have put these all both the parts and then done. Now turn it and then again do the same thing how you did that side. Do like this, hold it till this line. with the both the sides. So I'll do it and then I'll show you. I did same thing like this. Now take this part. No, don't take this part. Then do like this. Okay. And then what? Wait a minute. So now take one of this part. I'll take this part. I took this, and you will get one gap here. Okay. Now pull this, nothing will happen. You just pull this gap, and then this part is it. Put it down. Put it properly. If you didn't understand it properly, then let it be. I'll again do this step in the right side. Now I did it like this. Now hold it like this. Again I did it like this. Hold it here. One more fold. And then here again you get one gap. Hold this. I'll tell you the easy way. Put your finger inside. Put your hand inside this. But be careful. It should not get open. I put my hand, only your thumb should not go. And then with the thumb, do like this. And then take out your hands. And then tap it. Tap it by your finger. Okay. Now wait a minute. So now we have did all this side. This has become ready. And even this has become ready. This has also become ready. Now one more step. See, now when you will do that, you will get this part. Don't do anything to this. Now again hold this. You will get here two gaps. Take one of this part and then do it like this, and you'll see one line. Take this till here. I'll do it and then I'll show you. So I have did that. Now again do the same side here also. I'll do that also. So now I have did this part also and this part also. Done. Now again do like this and open this. See, I have done. Now see, now this has become happened. Now take this part. There'll be one pocket here. Pull it up. When you pull it up, these will come up, and then take these all till this line. It would be very much big risk for me, not for you. So we have did this. Now again turn it, and then again one more turn. Now do the same thing how you did in that side, but open this also first. Now how you did in that side, do the same thing with this one also. This happened. Okay. Now again take one page. Okay, one like this, and then put this down. Take this back part. Can you see this back part? This one. Take this down, put it down, and then this will happen. See, this will happen, and then take this and When this happens, then okay, I'll again show you. First put it down and then close it like this. And then you have to turn it any side. I am turning it this side. And then close it. If you didn't understood, then I will again you have to do this step. So I will make you understand in that step. This one I did. This one. Now turn the page again and this one. This time I'll make you understand properly. Take this part down and then put your two fingers down and then try to join it together, and then there will be one page. And then when you will do this, there will be one page coming up. Then do it like this. Done. So simple. Now I have did all the sides. Now you have to open this again, but it is fine. You can do like this also, nothing more. This is also already correct. Now it's time for this thing. You will see one line here. Take this part till this line, this part till this line. I'll put it and then I'll show. So I have did it. Now you have to fold this here, fold this also, then you will come here, okay, and then turn the paper and then take this part till here. Then it became like a stick. It became like a stick. But we are not learning this. We are now making a parrot. Now take this part till this line. Okay. Till the line I have did it. See, I have did till this line. Now turn it. Here also you can see one line. Take this part till this line again. It should go till the line only. Otherwise it will not be ready properly. It should go properly till the line. It should not cross the line. So, done. Now again turn it and again take this part, not the full part. Take this part till here again. Now do the same thing how you did this side. See, I have already did this now. Now turn it again. No. See, it was like this first. And then we did it. Turn it. And then take the same thing what we did in the another side. So done. Now it's time for this part. Take this part till here. Done. Now turn it. Do the same thing how you did back side. Now we have did that. What this? Now you will get like this part. See, get like this part near to this. Put this part not here, it should go here, back. So done. Now turn it, do the same thing. Done. Now fold. And then one more fold. Done. The parrot is ready. See, now it can come in your finger. Just take this part, but it's not fully ready. You have to put your thumb also. Wait a minute. Then twist it. See, now it's ready. Twist it. See, now it became ready. Now I'll just try to hang it. I'll try it. Let me try it. Okay, let me try it. See this? I have hung it. See this thing. So your parrot is ready. So friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe it and give a like. Then till that time, thank you.